The unfortunate reality is that most of those methodologies prescribed by law are actually risk management ones. So they're very immature, very methodologically unsound. Most of them require you to do a heat map, which is kind of no good, which is not a good risk management by any stretch of imagination. So risk manager, the chief risk officer, is kind of in this weird situation where there are pockets of risk management that existed long before the risk manager arrived on the scene, and he can't really do much about that because the methodologies are normally prescribed by the relevant legislations or some sort of standards or international standards or local national standards and so on. And changing this whole, separate worlds, the world of environment, the world of taxation, the world of compliance, the world of health and safety, the world of IT and information security. Changing these worlds seems like a task too much for a CRO to undertake.